Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use all the gestures and controls in your HP or BD speaker. So, using the plus button we can increase our volume level, but this is a separate volume than our speaker. With the minus button we can decrease the volume level, but of course the speaker, not the phone. Let me show you how this works. Here, as you can see, we have the volume slider, and let me set it to the maximum. And now with the minus button here, I am decreasing the volume level. Now, as you can see, we don't hear the volume, the music. With the plus, we can increase it back to the full. And as you can see, these are all the controls of our music we have to know. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!